Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something that's been making waves for its sheer simplicity and vibrant personality. The Kodak M38 film camera, especially in this eye-catching grapefruit shade. This isn't just another point-and-shoot. It's an invitation to the world of film photography without any of the usual intimidation. One of the first things that stands out about the M38 is its focus-free design. For anyone new to film, or even seasoned photographers who just want to capture moments without fiddling with settings, this is a game changer. The user literally just points the camera at their subject and presses the shutter. There's no need to worry about aperture, shutter speed, or focusing rings. It takes away all the technical barriers, allowing the user to concentrate purely on composition and the moment itself. This makes it an ideal companion for parties, casual outings, or just everyday life where spontaneity is key. Then there's the powerful built-in flash. Many entry-level film cameras skimp on flash power, but the M38 delivers. This means that even in dimly lit indoor environments or during evening events, the camera is capable of illuminating subjects effectively. It's not just a token flash. It's genuinely useful, ensuring that memories aren't lost to darkness. The flash is easy to activate with a simple switch, further emphasizing the camera's commitment to user-friendliness. The overall easy-to-use mantra of the Kodak M38 is truly its strongest suit. Loading film is straightforward, advancing the film is manual but smooth, and rewinding is equally simple. It strips away all the complexities, leaving only the pure joy of shooting film. For someone who has always been curious about film, but felt overwhelmed by vintage cameras or more advanced models, the M38 acts as the perfect gateway. It's a camera that encourages experimentation and fun, rather than demanding technical mastery. Its compact and lightweight design means it can easily slip into a bag or even a larger pocket, making it incredibly portable. And let's not forget that grapefruit color. It adds a playful, modern touch to a classic medium. It's a camera that doesn't take itself too seriously, and that's precisely its charm. It's about capturing authentic, unposed moments with a distinct film aesthetic. The Kodak M38 isn't trying to be a professional tool. It's designed to be a fun, accessible, and reliable companion for anyone wanting to experience the magic of 35 film. It offers a refreshing break from digital photography, providing tangible results and the unique anticipation that comes with waiting for film to be developed. For those seeking a straightforward, no-frills film camera that consistently delivers, the M38 is an excellent choice, proving that sometimes, less truly is more.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.